Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are playing Stormworks Build and Rescue, and I am wanting to show you guys some new boats I got recently. I actually just got them right now. They're on the front page of the workshop for now if you guys want to check them out. But yeah, let's get into this video. So first, first I have this ship right here. So we're gonna be doing a sinking survival of this. Now I'm not sure if it has any trap doors or if it has a scuttle button, but I'm gonna make this thing sink somehow. I'm just gonna add something on. So guys, if we go down here, I can just basically just, ooh, this is a really nice engine room. Okay, so I'm gonna go down, and then we're gonna add a sliding door. I'm not gonna add electrical, you'll see why in a minute. We're gonna have to make it manual because I'm too lazy to hook up the electricity. Okay, after we, one more thing, the most important part. So then you're gonna want to grab your C4s. So by the way, I got the C4s from a DLC update. So if you're wondering why you don't have them or you can't use them, it's because you have to get the new DLC update. It's located in the Steam store. Just gonna click all these on. Oops. Okay, this is the last part. So then I'm gonna add this, and then done. So now we're gonna get this ship started. I have never driven this ship by the way, so if I don't drive it well, don't mind me. Okay, let's try this. This is the fastest ship, guys, I've ever driven. Like I said, ship, not boat, ship. Okay, whoa, got it running. Let's see what we got up here. Ooh, water cannon? Oh, I want me wanting. Oh, where's it at? That's nice. Okay, so I guess ooh, what's this? Alright guys, so I guess we figured out part of how to do this ship. The ship's pretty nice and all. But how about we open that hatch I was telling you about? So about the hatch, I told you I had to make it manual. Guys, so we're gonna go down here. Oh no, the ship's sinking. I wonder who opened up that hatch. I wonder. I really do. Okay, I was being sarcastic there. I'm just gonna out. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a bunch of C4s. Another C4, another C4. Place down. Beautiful. Okay, now we're just gonna place a couple thousand more. Oh, I thought there was a rainbow there for a second. Nope, just the water can. Oh shit! Oh my! Oh me! Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Oh! Oopsie! Is that the right word? That was definitely an oopsie accident. I did not mean to kill myself. Oh, that's... Oh, Oh, that's not good. Oh, we gotta launch the lifeboats. Guys, this is bad. Oh no, I don't know how to launch this lifeboat. I've never used this ship. Oh, that's bad. Oh wait, it's right here. Come on. Let me in. Ah! No! 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 Bad boy! Bad boy! Bad boy! Yes, that's right. Go back. No! No! You know what, guys? Maybe I can still get the boat on. Oopsie. Well, guys, I think that's it for this vehicle. I guess let's move on. Yeah, that was kind of a messy mess. But it was definitely awesome. Okay. Oopsie. Ah. Time to go on to the next vehicle. Our last one. So, I have another ship. I literally also got this. It's also on the front page of the workshop. Well, it will be for now. Oh, that sounds good. Is it like radiated? Oh, that's cool. Everything's already like turned on. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. So my only problem is, how do we put it? Yeah, let's see. Oh, left, right. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm just lazy, so I'm just. Hey guys, see on the side there? See that model engine? Look, it really looks like you're like gunning the throttle. It's kind of cool. And then all that's cool. I like this. Me like this shit. Also, I'm not sure if you guys checked out another thing. Did you guys check out the new natural disasters update yet? No, probably not. Oh yeah, probably everyone checked it out. But still, I'm still showing you. Just in case you didn't. Oh, no! Tornado. Guys, oh, yeah, that tornado wants me. Tornado, this is my ship. You want to talk this out? Oh, bro, what the heck? He's like so far away from me and he's sucking me up. Imagine you care about me. Guys, this isn't good. This is really good. I am so stupid. No, bad boy. Oh, it's too bad. Oh, how is it doing damage? That's not good. That's not good. Just. My goodness. Chill. Oh, no. I guess I'm fine. Oh, never mind. Well, guys, we're going to wrap it up for this video.